Good morning, class. Hope and pray you all are safe and healthy. Students, today we will do chapter number 16, the conjunction. Now, what is a conjunction? In simple words, we can say conjunction is a joining word. A word which is used to join together sentences and words is called a conjunction. And, but, so, or, neither, nor, etc. are examples of conjunctions. Now let's see some examples. God made the country and man made the town. Our hoard is little, but our hearts are great. In these two sentences, and but, these are conjunctions and these are joining two sentences. 3 and 3 make 6. In this sentence, conjunction and is used to join two words 3. So conjunction is a word which joins together sentences and words. Conjunctions make sentences more compact. Alok and Amar are good bowlers. This is short way of saying Alok is a good bowler and Amar is a good bowler. Means conjunctions make any sentence compact, means to say with the use of conjunction sentences became compressed. There are some conjunctions which are used in pairs, means which are used together. These conjunctions are called correlative conjunctions. Not only, but also, neither, nor, either, or, though, yet, both, and, whether, or, no sooner than, so that, etc. are examples of correlative conjunctions. Now let's see some examples. Not only but also. It is not only expensive but also not good. In this sentence, conjunctions not only and also but also are used together, so these are correlative conjunctions. She likes neither Ravi nor Raj. In this sentence, correlative conjunctions neither and nor are used together. Though, yet, though I had money, yet I couldn't buy it. Whether or, I am confused whether I should offer her hot tea or cold drink. In these two sentences, correlative conjunctions though, yet, and whether or are used together. Students, remember, when we use correlative conjunctions, each of the correlated words must be placed immediately before the words we are going to join. For example, she visited not only Agra but also Jaipur. In this sentence, we are joining Agra and Jaipur. So, correlative conjunctions not only but also are placed immediately before these words. We cannot say she not only visited Agra but also Jaipur. Many compound expressions are also used as conjunctions. These are known as compound conjunctions. For example, so that, as well as if, even if, provided that, as soon as, on condition that, in order that, as though, etc. are compound conjunctions. Now let's see some examples. As well as. Amit as well as Sumit was present there. As if. He looks as if he is weary. As soon as. He took off his coat as soon as he entered the house. In order that. All those concerned must work together in order that an agreement can be reached on this issue. In these sentences, compound expressions are used as compound conjunctions. Conjunctions are divided into two kinds. First is coordinating conjunctions and second is subordinating conjunctions. Coordinating conjunction is used to join together clauses of equal rank. Take this and give that. In this sentence, coordinating conjunction and is joining two clauses and these two clauses are of equal rank. Coordinating conjunctions are divided into four kinds. First kind is cumulative conjunctions. These conjunctions are used to add one statement to another. Also, to, and, etc. are examples of cumulative conjunctions. You cook the lunch and I will look after the children. In this example, cumulative conjunction and is joining one statement to another statement. Second kind is adversative conjunctions. These conjunctions express opposition or contrast between two statements. But, only, still, yet, etc. are examples of adversative conjunctions. He is slow, but he is sure. You may go, only be careful. In these sentences, adversative conjunctions but only are expressing contrast. Third kind is alternative conjunctions. These conjunctions express a choice between two alternatives. Either or, neither nor, otherwise, or else, etc. are examples of alternative conjunctions. She must hurry or she will miss her train. Walk quickly else you will not overtake him. In these sentences, alternative conjunctions or else are expressing choice between two alternatives. Fourth kind is elative conjunctions. These conjunctions express an inference, means these conjunctions show an conclusion based on reasons. For, therefore, so, etc. are examples of elative conjunctions. We listen eagerly, for he brought news of our families. Here, conjunction for is showing a conclusion on the basis of reason. In place of coordinating conjunctions except or nor, we can also use comma, semicolon or colon. Subordinating conjunction is used to join a subordinating clause to a main clause. Jaya reads the book because it interests her. In this sentence, Jaya reads the book is main clause. It interests her is subordinating clause which is joined by subordinating conjunction because. And subordinating conjunction show the relationship between two clauses. So any clause we can write down in the beginning. Because Sachin toiled so hard, he was tired. Sachin was tired because he toiled so hard. Meaning of both these sentences is same. Subordinating conjunctions are classified according to their meaning. Before, after, since, till, these are conjunctions of time. Do it before you forget. Just wait till you see it. In these sentences, before and till are expressing about time. Because and as, these are conjunctions of cause or reason. I did it because he told me to. In this sentence, because is telling reason. So that and lest, these are subordinating conjunctions of purpose. He worked hard so that everything would be ready in time. In this sentence, so that is telling purpose. So that is used for any result or consequence. They were so tired that they could hardly stand. If and unless, these subordinating conjunctions are used for condition. You can stay for the weekend if you like. Here, if is expressing condition. Though and although, these conjunctions show concession. He still argues, though he knows he is wrong. Comparison is shown by conjunction than. I am better acquainted with the city than you are. Here than is showing comparison. Now some common mistakes with conjunctions. In English, we need only one conjunction to join two clauses. Because he is intelligent, he gets good marks. This sentence is right because in this there is only one conjunction, because. Other sentence, because he is intelligent, so he gets good marks. This is wrong because in this sentence there are two conjunctions, so, because. And according to the rules in English, we need only one conjunction to join two clauses. Since and therefore. Both these words are conjunctions and we can use any one of these words, these conjunctions, to join two clauses. Since he was angry, therefore I said nothing. This sentence is wrong because in this sentence, since and therefore both conjunctions are used. Since he was angry, I said nothing. This sentence is right because there is only one conjunction used, which is since. Students, remember, A subordinate clause cannot stand alone. It must be joined to an independent clause. He did not come to work because he was ill. This is wrong because he was ill. This is a subordinating clause and it cannot stand alone. Students, remember, never start a sentence with because. He did not come to work because he was ill. This sentence is right because here subordinate clause and independent clause are joined with subordinating conjunction because. Students, revise this chapter carefully and try to do its exercise. Thank you and take care.